LG Series Raw Compactor. LG Series Raw Compactor is mechanical and electrical integrated equipment designed with PLC frequency conversion technology, is one necessary equipment for solid dosage production procedure and widely used in pharmaceutical industry, chemical, foodstuff industry, and etc. This equipment has two-grade milling system, which optimize the technological process, reduce label strength, and effectively control powder dust or cross-pollution. LG Series Raw Compactor complied entirely with GMP requirements for medicine production. Charge mixed dry materials by farmer lifter to upper hopper, and transport to pressure chamber by helical conveyor. After extrusion of too high pressure, high-density laminar generates and being cut into pieces through cut system. Finally, by the action of milling blade and sifter to get required granules. Transport the granules by vacuum charging system to farmer bin for next process and granulating process finished.